Lord.
What is that? Ah, hair. Ribbon. Wow, you can use now. So cute. Late lunch na sila.
Gusto yun. Di ba mo kung ano din? Binibili ako siya ng donut. Sabi ko, nag-iwan donut.
Ah, may pila?
We will go inside.
May feeling.
I know, but ang ganda sa nalagyanan nila yung haba namin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saan mo dala jacket? Oh, you will.
Okay, we have free, baby. Let's get one. Get one, baby.
Get
please.
one na,
Hold.
baby.
Get one.
Uy, look at the tumbler, oh. Wow, it's so nice.
Ate Naya.
Naya.
Isa pa.
Ah, tama na ba? 4, no? Okay na po.
Sorry. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Uy, tuwan-tuwa si Naya, oh.
Kami yung nauna dito.
Kami na una. Ang ganda ng tumbler nila, oh. Inusgahan kasi namin kaagad. Sabi namin, ang mahal. 700. Pero yung tumbler nila,
Oh, kasi ang ganda pa.
easy. Di, it's just same sa SM, Saan tayo, bebe?
Did you see?
B, ano ba tayo?
I can see. B5. B6 to 4. Can you see?
Dito tayo. Baby, here. Nalapit pala natin. Okay. Uy, ba't magkasama kayo? Mama ba? Dito ka. Ay, gusto ko na magkasama.
You want here?
You want here beside mama? Beside daw ate natin.
Okay, here you go.
Sige na.
Ay, may ganito. Ano to, ma?
Thank you. Tuwa yung mga bata.
Mama, what is this? Is this water?
Hindi. Ano yan? Ano ba tawag siya? Light yan.
Oh, light. I usually want here now.
Unang-una pa na tayong pumasok.
Yay. So pretty.
Okay na, 700. Sa iba nga 1,000.
Madali natin makakamit ang
Okay
kaunlaran
na.
na ating nilais
Oh,
sa
sige.
tamang
And
bilis
I take
pag-asenso ay mabilis.
Iwan ko na lang yung bag ko.
Sige, babe. Dito lang muna ako. Bakit? Hindi ka ako kasama sa video palagi.
Pangarap mo din ba magkaroon ng sariling bahay? Kung ikaw ay isang Pilipino
Hindi kay ate, ano to?
sa legal na
Kay
ikaw,
Tita Rose to,
hindi pa
babe.
naging
Enjoy mo kayo diyan.
Step into our world. This is our world.
Sampung pelikula na may ginito ang ganda ang magbibigay kulay ng ating kapaskuhan. Mga pelikulang tunay namang may pagmamalaki sa buong mundo. Gawa ng mahusay na Filipino producers, writers, and directors at pinagbibigahan ng mga pinakamalaking pangalan sa Philippine entertainment. Sa pangunguna muli ng MMDA.
park ourselves. If there are no further questions, Linda, is it true?
Alarms call. With the police. What an atmosphere. Jesus. And these are your dormitory designations? How many goodness ones? Good luck.
Trouble is life, woes are fleeting, blows are
I hope you're happy.
Hi guys, how's the movie? Oh, it's living. Yeah, you guys living. Happy? Teka. Na. Okay. Ayan, tapos na. Baby. How is your... Huh?
After this, where are we going?
Do you like the movie?
Yeah, where are we going?
Maybe we will eat dinner.
And
Then maybe go home or go somewhere. I don't know.
to go to the I want to go to the
BGC? Okay.
No, we want to BGC.
Where? You enjoy the movie, Puna?
But the mom called.
Bangkok.
I remember the
Stop. Finish na, baby. We're done here. One of the best. Ang ganda, sobra.
I want the best toilet.
Okay. Grabe ang ganda, promise. One of the best. I know. First time dito
Is that a fire?
Take ano. Come here.
It says wicked.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ang ganda mag-picture mo na sa baba. Oo, kasi may ilaw. Ayun na. Oo nga, ang cute mo din.
Let's go there.
Go? Ay na! Hindi ko nakita. Sayang. Oh! Wow. Gala-gala with ate. Ate, chat. Punta kami dito ng picture kami, hindi ko lang ilaw eh.